I'm going to show you the little gravy boat made by Ridgway in the Saraband design. Beautiful turquoise band all around the edge, nice pedestal footed, classic early English gravy boat. Quite a tall spout on this gravy boat, just a small area of Saraband floral decoration under the spout. There is a little bit of wear on the turquoise banding here. You can see an occasional little mark where it's been put up against some other china, but inside very nice and clean for its age. 1940s, 1950s this. Also just a little bit of marking on the glaze here, just on the handle, but the gilt is very good, nicely retained. Saraband marks on the base, Ridgway period, 1940s, 1950s, Staffordshire made in England. Haven't got the saucer for this. It would have had an oval saucer, probably with a saucer well on it to hold the gravy boat in place. But in nice used vintage condition, not mint, but bright enough to offer it as a replacement. Somebody out there will have broken theirs and be wanting this. So follow the link description below, take you through to the website listing for this piece of Ridgway china. Thanks for watching.